you ever go to lunch with no one by your side? Cause the moment you arrive, they'll leave the table, calling me everything but my name. Need I remind you again? Just call me Rachel. How would you feel if you're running home crying like yourself in your room? Don't want anyone to see ya while everyone's having fun outside and you're telling yourself, would you feel every time you go to school? Someone's looking at you weird, calling you a loser. All these girls wearing bubblegum pink. Guess I didn't get the memo, cause they're laughing at my blue shirt. Well, I hope you're feeling good about you, treating someone you